family, oh my gosh. If you're ever in the Berkshires, check out Frankie's. Food is delicious, service is great, playlist is awesome, and if you're lucky, it might even snow a little bit. See you soon. Now you know I am absolutely a gin girl. Frankie's got it just right with the cocktail of the day. It's a slow blueberry and sage gin fizz. It tastes like a really grown-up soda. I love it. Fried zucchini is one of my favorite dishes, and so far, Frankie's is getting it just right.
Enjoy my entree.
So the chocolate marine ordered veal parmesan, and I've got the carbonara. And let me tell you, honey, this might be the best carbonara that I have ever had in my entire life, including any that I have cooked in the kitchen at Coley Manor. So good. Like, I'm almost speechless, and I could swear that my honey moaned when he tasted it. That good. Ooh. So good. So let's talk about it. Frankie's on the whole has been a treat. The service is A1. Their playlist, amazing. And it's very soulful. The food seasoned to perfection and cooked perfectly. I will say, all in all, I'm gonna give Frankie's like a 9.5. It's really that good. And they made us feel totally welcome. So, being black in the Berkshires today was a good day. If you're in Lenox, definitely try Frankie's out. I would 10 out of 10 recommend them to you. See you soon. Be blessed.